on in. Welcome to Stay on the Street. Juliet, bring me there.
So regularly, but at least once a year. It's so very important to connect with our patients and for who are really the attention. All our patients speak highly of what definitely it is for us. Etc. Please still here, open here.
President, on behalf of the hospital, we'd like to welcome you personally of the years that you've been involved in providing care and working in partnership. So it's the care that you all have reported back to yourself. So we're very appreciative.
A reciprocity agreement that more time. So I hope it will be at least a slight help to what needs to be done in terms of the research that is so much needed in the area of cancer, especially. Thank you.
Thank you. We received this report. We were very much.
So much.
Thank you very much. Which is lovely. And as you can see from up here,
Essentially, we commissioned the design and when you go right over to the edge, and then there's Courageous right out on the very edge of the building, which is the gentleman had to stick the words out.
It's like that, hey, when you
Yes.
find but there's no more. Sorry about that. Thank you
as well. So yes, they're delightful patients to look after. Yes, I saw her last week. she had palate repair, which was really cool.
Welcome, Your Excellency.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So pleased to see you.
And you too.
How are you?
You wrote, I'm not...